In this video, we are going to go over changing your profile picture. Having a profile picture increases your social presence within 1Cademy, therefore it is recommended, but not required, to upload a profile picture of yourself. To change your profile picture, go to the sidebar that is on the left of the page and click on your current profile picture. This will bring up your user profile. Next, click on your profile picture again, and a file finder window will appear, allowing you to browse your files for a new profile picture. Now that I have my picture located and selected, I can click Open to upload my new picture. Once you change your profile picture, every node you have proposed will now have a new profile picture in the footer. And as you can see here, my profile picture has been updated. That is how you change your profile picture on 1Cademy. For more information, please refer to the 1Cademy help nodes.